Okay, in previous videos we have covered the concept of homogeneous linear equations and what is non-homogeneous linear equations. In this video I'll tell you what is consistent, and what is inconsistent, and I'll tell you what is the types of solutions. Okay, if the rank of augmented matrix is equal to rank of the coefficient matrix, so then there are two types. If there are two types of solutions, if rank of augmented matrix is not equal to rank of coefficient matrix, the system of equations are said to be inconsistent. There exists no solution, so there will be no solution. So, and the second point is, in homogeneous equation system the equations are always consistent, means rank of augmented matrix is equal to rank of coefficient matrix in homogeneous equations. Why? Because see here okay, let me take one more page to understand clearly. So a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus a13 x3 plus and so on, a1n xn is equal to b1, a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus and so on, a2n xn is equal to b2 and so on, an1 x1 plus an2 x2 plus and so on, ann xn is equal to bn. So what is homogeneous equation? As I told you, this constant term should be 0. b1 equal to, b2 equal to, b3 equal to and so on, bn equal to 0. So that means the matrix B equal to 0. Okay, what is augmented matrix? Ax is the augmented matrix. Ax equal to B. So here this AB is augmented matrix. Sorry, Ax equal to B form is, so AB is the augmented matrix. So if you convert this, what is A? A11, A12 and so on, A1n, A21, A22 and so on, A2n, AN1, AN2 and so on, ANN. This is called A matrix, means coefficient matrix. What is X? See, x1, x2 and so on, xn. This is X matrix is equal to, what is B? B1, B2, B3 and so on. This is B, so on, Bn. But here all values are zeros. Okay, so if you write if all the augmented matrix AB, that is A11, A12, A1 and so on, A1n and so on, an1 and so on, ann into a b. What is the B matrix? This b1, b2, bn and so on, bn you have to write, but here all are zeros, you have to write zeros only. So if you do the row operations, 0 minus 0, 0 plus 0, whatever you do, this row becomes unchanged, this column becomes unchanged. This is coefficient matrix and this is B matrix. This will not change. So whenever you find the rank of this matrix A is equal to rank of total matrix, correct or not? Rank of A by B means augmented matrix. So because these all are zeros, if you apply row operations, it will not change these values, it's always zero. So this rank depends on this rank only. So this rank is says rank of A means coefficient matrix, this rank is called rank of A by B, total matrix. So if the rank of A is equal to rank of A by B, then the system of equations are said to be, they have consistent equations, and these have, for homogeneous equation these are having zero solution. For non-homogeneous equations this is having two types, because rank of A is equal to rank of A by B is equal to, we consider it as R. If R is equal to number of variables, means x1, x2, x3, how many variables, then they have different solutions. I told you, I write here, see, rank of A by B is equal to rank of A is equal to n, means number of unknowns. The system of equations are consistent and having unique solutions, means only one solution we will get. If rank of A by B means augmented matrix is equal to rank of coefficient matrix less than n, means number of variables can, if the rank is less than number of variables, then the equations are said to be consistent because rank of A by B is equal to rank of A, and having infinite many solutions. I'll tell you how to find the solutions, but in the case of homogeneous equations, always rank of A by B is equal to rank of A, and having these all equations are said to be consistent because rank of A by B is equal to rank of A and having zero solutions. I'll tell you in examples to understand better, but as of now we only discussed about these 3 points. Rank of A by B is equal to rank of A. The equations are said to be consistent. Those are two types. What is rank of A by B is equal to rank of A is equal to number of unknowns. Then they having unique solutions. If rank of A by B is equal to rank of A is less than n means number of variables, means number of unknowns or variables, whatever x1, x2 or xyz values, okay, number of xyz3 like that, okay, then the system of equations are said to be consistent and having infinite many solution. If rank of A by B is not equal to rank of A, then the equations are said to be inconsistent and there will be no solution exist for that, okay. For this classification is done in later on videos. I'll explain you with the each and every example for homogeneous equations and non-homogeneous equations with unique solution, non-homogeneous equations with infinite many solutions, okay. See, if the rank of A by B is equal to rank of A less than n, then the system of equation consistent and having infinite many solutions with n minus r arbitrary values. So, what is arbitrary values means we will consider one variable is equal to some arbitrary value k1, k2 like that. So, it should not be 0. I'll explain in examples, you will understand better. So, in these videos, we will solve these all homogeneous or non-homogeneous equations. To find the solutions, we will use only echelon form method only we will use. So this method is also called as Gauss-Jordan method. So it will redirect to Gauss-Jordan method only. We can also solve these equations using Cramer's rule, inverse rule. You all know that. If you don't know, I'll do the videos on Cramer's and inverse rule, but for this system of equation solution method, we will follow Gauss-Jordan method. We will only do the row operations. So it is also called row echelon form operations. You are aware of it, okay. Signing off, Rajesh Balak.